So I just got my hand stick mixer that you see right here. I actually got this because I was researching tomato sauce recipes using heirloom tomatoes, which I have boiling in here. The recipe that really appealed to me, you could leave the skins on. All you had to do was de-seed it, and then you use this hand mixer to blend it all up and then let it simmer down. So I just wanted to show how it worked. Cuisinart, it's a very reputable brand. Has two modes, high and low. Let's see, blade here, it's really good. So I just wanted to show you kind of press it, keep it held down. Bear with me because I'm just using one hand here. But as the YouTube showed, this makes it super easy to mix up these tomatoes for sauce. I'm super impressed with it. It just works very easily to blend everything up. Really easy to clean too. Tons of power. Really easy to hold in the hands. Yeah, I'm super happy with this. Give a little more blend, and you can see how nice and mixed it is. Show the high mode. Woo. There we go. A little bit more pressure. Blends it so nice and smooth. So anybody who makes sauce, this is a great method. You can leave all the skins on so that you don't have to blanch your tomatoes. Saves you a lot of work. Super happy with this. Look at that. A couple hours, we'll have some great sauce.